So while I didn't quite get to the car show today, I decided to stay home because the weather was so nice. I got a phone call from an old friend, a former teacher at West Middle School, who wanted a quote for a computer. So I actually spent a good portion of the day outside on my porch. Well, my front porch, not my porch, but my, I guess I would call it my driveway, sitting in my chair, having a cigar and writing a quote for a computer today. But that doesn't mean that I'm not out having a little bit of fun in the dusk. It's pretty nice out today. What's cool is that I also got my, last week or the week before, I can't remember, I got my camera mount for my transmitter, so I can actually one-handed, which is really cool, drive my truck and film at the same time. So even though I'm not particularly skilled at this yet either, I'm able to drive this is my big truck. This is my new little Jeep, because of all things, I got my new tires and my new wheels for my Jeep, and I started putting those together and realized that the new wheels for my Jeep need specific adapters for the wheels to fit my Jeep. So the wheels will fit my Jeep, I just don't have the right adapters to make the wheels fit the Jeep yet. So those have to wait. And while I was trying to put the new wheels on the Jeep, not realizing that they needed the specific adapters, I managed to jam up one of the wheels onto the Jeep's axle and subsequently messed up one of the axles on the Jeep. So I didn't really mess up the axle, but I made it so that, ooh, that's going to be hard to recover from. Oh, there it goes. Turtle. I messed up the adapter that I already have, so I have to order two parts. I need to order the adapters for the wheels, and I need to order some new basically axle fitting kind of thing for the Jeep in order to get that out. But we're going to get some snow, from what I hear, this week, like Monday or Tuesday, so I think I'm still going to have a chance to play with the little Jeep out in the snow with the new wheels and tires once those parts come in. So anyways, I did get a new battery for this truck though, which is one of the high capacity, or not high capacity, but high voltage batteries. So what I was just doing was in low speed mode on the transmission, so I just flipped it to high speed mode. So this is crazy fast mode. Yeah, and it's nuts what this thing can do in high speed mode. It's crazy fast. We'll just tear ass around this place. It is hard to film and drive at the same time, even though I have both hands free. So let's see if I can set up a good jump here. Anyway, so I finished writing my quote, and now I'm outside and I'm just playing with my truck, bashing it over this pile of snow and having fun with it. And it's still, I don't know, it's probably 55 degrees outside. So I'm just bashing over this pile of snow, jumping it over stuff and flipping it over, and just generally having fun with my RC truck. It's still got its snow tires on, which is okay. visit today from Salem. She was so excited to see me and the other kitties that she just waltzed right into the house. I opened the door for her. She came right into the house. So she came right into the house, said hi to Mo, walked into her little bedroom that she had while she stayed with me, poked around, nosied up to Mo. That was cute. I have a picture. I actually have a couple of pictures of her in the house, eating out of the food bowl. It's really cute. Really cute. She didn't come visit me today while I was sitting outside, though. So I haven't seen her tonight. But who knows? She may still come. She may still come by while I'm out here playing. Oh God, this thing's fun with these high voltage batteries. It's just crazy fast. I can just flip it over, just drive it, just on flat pavement, flat dirt. I got new foam inserts for the regular tires too. To make it better for trail crawling and for rock crawling. So they say. Those are the ones that came with the tires that I bought for that kind of environment. They're just cheapo ones. The ones that came with the tires. So I'm anxious to put those into, but that's a lot of work. It's a lot of fiddly little work. So I'm going to do that sitting in front of the TV when I have the energy and stuff to sit and do that, because it's fiddly work. Fiddly work. Let's see if I can smash it up over there. Ah, there we go. That's fun stuff. The kitties and I were watching out through the windows today. My windows are over here on the right over here on either side of this chimney. And we watched Salem out here. She was hanging out under this pine tree and chasing rabbits around in the yard. It was hilarious. I bet my kitties would have loved to do that. Adjust my steering here a little bit. I can, if you can see this, but I can adjust it so that my steering is minimal, or I can crank it up so that my steering goes really, really far. So my steering can be very tight, or I can make it so that my steering only goes just a little ways, so that my steering is very minimal. Because I'm still learning, I have it set kind of low so that I don't get myself into too much trouble. Boy, is it fun to just bash around in this thing. I really want to get some lights in it at some point so that nighttime stuff is fun too. But I'm not going to put lights on this body, because this is the body that I'm just going to smash this body to pieces while I learn how to drive this thing. And just have fun with it. And do stuff like that. It's in reverse right now. I gotta figure out, the steering has the steering's kind of weird. It's probably just these tires, but in reverse it tends to drive and curve a little bit to the right. But when I go forward, it's nice and straight. So it might just be these paddle tires that I have on it. And these tires rub on the body a lot too, because I didn't trim the body to fit this. So this is just for fun, just for funsies. You can hear it just cranking on the body. It just rubs on the body real bad. The truck's just so tall that it just flips right over when you go fast. So much fun. And I gotta figure out just the right angle to set this camera at when I hold it. When I hold it, I can turn it. So I should probably turn it a little bit on the mount here. Make an adjustment here. See if it makes a difference. Nope. Turtle. It's like a little turtle with its legs up in here. Can't do anything. I have to be careful too because there's folks over here with their doggies. So, oh, my lights just came on. My Christmas lights. My all year round lights still. Stuck. Come on, flip over. Stuck again. Oh well. This camera mount will actually be way better for when I'm doing rock crawling. I'm going to fall over if I'm not careful. Because I'll be able to get up close and do video of things like when I'm doing low speed maneuvering, getting over obstacles and things like that. Okay, nice up close video. Just little things, but it's still fun to practice technique and learning how to steer it from a distance. Book. Yeah, fun. The other body that I have for it is even taller, but I can still keep the weight really low because the bodies are super lightweight. They're just a very thin polycarbonate plastic. Oh. Come on, land on your roof. There you go. Come around. This pile of snow is because it's gotten warm. It's just a pile of ice now, so it's very hard. It's actually probably better suited to my other tires, but it's okay. I'm not going to change those tires on it until the weather breaks. So for right now, I'm just driving on these very, very hard gravel tires that are made for snow. It's over there. It is. It's over there somewhere. Just fun. Not very good on pavement. It just grinds away on the body when I drive it. Stuck. Anyway. Now that I've got the new big high voltage battery, I could do this for like an hour and a half probably with the battery, and even I won't last that long. But this will be good for when I'm out. High voltage will give it much more torque to get over rocks and obstacles and things. Just wants to flip over that side of the snow pile. Anyway, nobody will want to listen to me for 15 minutes about my truck and my neighborhood and my cats. But here I am, talking away. Monster Jam at my house. Oh. Couldn't keep it straight behind there. Get it out far enough. Turn it. Get it coming this way. Fly over the hill. And try not to make some noise. If I just had a couple of lights in it, even just to help me locate it in the dark, that would help. I can sometimes see the power light on the radio that's in there shining through the windows, but not always. There we go. Got it flipped. Yeah, when it's a nice day though, out on the, like on the, not the Calhaven Trail, but the Asylum Lake Trail, you do not want to be doing this kind of stuff when there's other people out walking, because boy will they get angry that you're doing this kind of stuff. So that's when you do the skills-based crawling. That's very, very slow. Slow and careful kind of stuff. Oh. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention with the camera. I just need like a GoPro strapped to my forehead, I think. Turtle. Anyway. Yeah, GoPro on my forehead is probably the way to go, but then I won't know what I'm looking at because I don't have a display to look at to tell what it's aimed at. So. This pile is so slippery right now. Can't do any real skill-based crawling on it. You get up there and you get it kind of sideways, even a little bit sideways, and it just slips and slips. And even paddle tires, you won't grab hold of anything, really. It just slides sideways.